I'm genuinely asking this. Never once listened to a Cat's Eye song and genuinely thought to myself, this shit is a banger. Like, I'm being so serious when I say that if Cat's Eye was not Cat's Eye, they'd have 30 monthly listeners and they'd all be living in somebody's basement. Because their music is so bad, dude. I'm sorry. I'm really trying not to hate right now, but it's genuinely terrible. Anyways, guys, like the video, please join my Discord and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Link is in my bio. Hope you guys have a nice day, though. Bye.